Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to update on our progress for the community. We have formed, as you know, a group of support team on coronavirus. I would like to speak in English so that our young generation can also understand better. In the last week or so, as you know, we have started this campaign 2 weeks ago, and alhamdulillah, we started a fundraising campaign for students here in Australia who are in financial crisis due to coronavirus situation. And today I have checked, the fundraising have gone up to $2,250 with the help of Crescent Relief Australia. They are our partners, doing the fundraising, collecting donations, and also distributing to the deserved applicants, which are the students. So this our campaign is going very well, alhamdulillah, and we are requesting more community members, business community to donate in this students fundraising campaign. We have Crescent Relief Australia also started another campaign for those who are unemployed and could not get much benefit from the government. So that campaign also started yesterday, and I'll be from our group promoting this campaign as well from next week. But right now we are focusing on fundraising for Pakistani students particularly, or whoever, if we have a fund to help them. So please donate in this campaign on our Facebook page for our support team on coronavirus. If you type support team on coronavirus, you will find our Facebook page. So you can also see the link which we are continuously advertising, and just go on the Crescent Relief Australia website and you can see assistance to yours international students. You can donate them. And then the students who are in crisis, they can also apply. There's an online form, and that's the only way. You have to submit an online form, and we have 4 members of a committee who assess your situation, they speak to you, and then we see what we can do, how much funds we have, and we give you some money so you can meet your urgent needs. Now today we have formed another committee for females, and we have alhamdulillah about our 8 members out of 20 in our women. So we have composed a female assistance committee who will look after the females who like to prefer the female, explain to them their issues. So whatever we can do, our team can do, our female members, they'll do that. I just like to encourage everyone and let the other people know who are in our working body of support team. We have at the moment 20 members, myself, then Mrs. Surya Hassan, Mrs. Sarwat Hassan, Mr. Faisal Jamil, Mr. Mohammad Zishan Iqbal, Mr. Ali Chauhan, Mr. Rana Zafar Hussain, Mr. Nasir Kamal, Mr. Ali Ubaid, Mr. Mufid Rashid, Mrs. Sabia, Mrs. Samira Khan, Mrs. Asma Rehan, Mr. Akhtar Ali Mughal, Mrs. Faiza Khan, Mr. Adil Kavi, Mr. Imran Umar, Mrs. Tamanna Shahid, and Mr. Safan Hassan. These are our working group members, and if you like to join us, you can also write to us, send your contact details, and you can be a part of this team. You know, when this type of crisis comes from Allah, God, we believe that this is the will of Allah, and Allah wants to put in test and see our reaction to Allah and how we can pass His test. And this is an opportunity as well for those who wants to serve the community in this time, because there is no better worship to God, to Allah, than serving the humanity, serving Allah's human being. So this is an opportunity. If you want to work, if you want to help, you can come in our group. We are very professional people, very sincere, very honest. We like to help people. We want to catch this situation and do some community work. Otherwise, we always think about to do and then we don't get time, or we just ignore, or we don't realize. But now this is the time we can test ourselves. This is an opportunity. You engage yourself for the community help so that you continue, even inshallah, this coronavirus situation when ends, you will continue to help the community, and our community, especially the Pakistani community, needs these type of projects of helping people. So this is a bigger opportunity now that we should learn from this and gain experience with this coronavirus situation, helping those who are needy. Look around in your neighbor, look around in your network, your social network, your family, friends who are in need. Sometimes people hesitate to speak to you. You just call them frequently and ask them if they need any help. And then if you can do that, that's better. If you can't, then you just post or contact us on WhatsApp or Facebook page. Send us a message, give the contact. We will try our best to help them whatever we can. We are thankful, we all are thankful, or should be thankful, to the Australian government, who are working days and night, helping and coming out of different projects for helping the citizens, Australian citizens. We are lucky in Australia that our government always help the people. We are a welfare state, so the government working day and night to help people in medical, in other type of financial help, and jobless people, and alhamdulillah, people are getting help. We are a lot better than other countries who are still struggling to reach to every affected people from the coronavirus, but our government is working, and thanks to all the citizens who are cooperating. And today I was watching the news and I was just a little bit relaxed that the curve is going flat a little bit, so the new cases are not that much increasing as the existing cases are reducing. So at the moment, all the community members, everyone should listen to the government, listen their instructions, as we got thousands of appeals from the people, active community members, ministers, parliamentarian, government spokespersons, what to do. So I'm not going to go on the detail in this short message, but you should be in contact, watch the news regularly, and go on social media. If you can help people, just circulate the important messages from the government. I am also posting regularly on social media now. Rather than my newspaper website, I'm putting on social media so people can pick up very quickly. State government of New South Wales and the Australian government releasing press releases on daily basis, sometimes 2 times in a day. We should listen, we should read, we should watch, and spread that announcement, notification to the others who are not fully aware. So this time eventually will go away with the help of each of us. So I was talking about our group progress. So we are working on the student fundraising scheme, and alhamdulillah we have started to distribute. We have today we have distributed 2 students who have applied for the funds. At the moment we need more funds. Right now, in last 3-4 days, we have $2,250 which are coming. You can see on Crescent Relief website. So you can see who has donated, and time to time we will also post how much money we have distributed from those funds. So ask if any student is in crisis to go follow the website and fill in applications, and then we have a committee of 4 members, myself, Ali Chauhan, Rana Zafar Hussain, and Imran Umar, who represents Crescent Relief. So we assess the students, we speak to them, and we see what we can do in looking into the present collection of funds we have. Similarly, we have formed another committee today, a female committee to look after particularly females who wants to speak to female. There are some issues which the female don't want to share with the male. This is our culture, and which is fine. So that's why, alhamdulillah, we are lucky that we have 8 female in our 20 members group. So when I wrote down the post, when I wrote down on the within our group that who wants to share, volunteer their services, and 6 of them said just we want to be in the team. And these members are Sabia, Faiza Khan, Tamanna Shahid, Asma Rehan, Sarwat Hassan, and Samira Khan. They are the members of our female support committee. We have also posted their names and contact numbers on our Facebook page of support team on coronavirus. I would ask every member of our community to please go on our Facebook page. This is not the group, it's a page. Like that page because we are regularly posting on that. We have another group, coronavirus update, that is only for the news. So whatever news are coming, whatever press release coming from the government, state government and federal government, I am posting those releases just to get the community aware of what's going on in this group. But our supporting group has a website, a social media page. So like that page so you can be aware of that. See our post. Right now we need more funds to support the students because, as you know, they don't get that much help from the government. They have to work part-time, they are losing jobs, and they are really in crisis. Even if we can support them, whatever amount we have, that will be a great help at the time. But we need funds. So whoever the business community are watching this, listening to my message, please, for God's sake, just go, follow the link, donate as much as you can, as much as fund we have, we will be able to distribute as many as students we need. Then there are other old age or other people who are in a situation where they can't get benefit from the government. We have to help them as well. So there is another campaign going on. We will be promoting from next week, but you can still donate. You can still go on Crescent Relief Australia website and help in that fund account as well, and we will be then distributing to those people as well. But this, what we are running now, we are focusing on that, and this is for students. So now this is the time, my brother and sisters, we have to show work, we have to work. This is good that, when I started this, when I got this idea, I spoke to a couple of people I know, who I know, and they are ready. We started this campaign. We asked people to come volunteer themselves. We got 20 people to come on board, and we formed a group, but we need more people to come on in this group. And then another good thing is that when the people see what we are doing, they have also started their own campaign, doing their own making their own group and helping people, which is fine. I'm happy that people are following us and doing whatever we are doing in another group which they feel comfortable. So we should appreciate them. But I would advise that people, if they are in one group, they should focus on the group rather than doing their own another activity, helping people as well, and also in our group. So whoever in our group 20, I want everyone to be active. I can see there are people who have some personal reasons not active right now. That's fine. So that's the reason we need more people, that some people at some time can't spend time, but then sometimes some people have more time. So who have a time now, most of people like me, I stay at home now. I'm advised by doctor as well, because as you know, people who know me, I was sick before for last 2 years, and then I'm okay now, so I'm working now, but I'm advised to stay at home. So but whatever time I utilize, I'm doing that. This is an opportunity for me as well to monitor and do that sort of job which people don't do in our team in other way. So we all are working together. This time we need to put our differences aside, and we have to help. Whatever we do help, we do with sincerity, with good intention. This is not the time to project yourself, make this opportunity as a projection of yourself, but sincerely just work. Don't go in competition, don't make unnecessary group. The group who are working, just support them. If you feel that myself and my group, we are very sincere, very honest, and whatever we claim, we do honestly, you support us. This is your responsibility to support us. I brought an idea, I discussed with my friends, they came on board. I posted a post and offered the people to come on board. They come on board. We are all in our team working for the community. We are very, very sincerely believing that whatever we are doing, Allah, God will give us, reward for that. This is the reason we are doing this, and I am very lucky that Allah has given me this opportunity. I take this as an opportunity to help our people in this difficult time. Inshallah, I'll be talking to you time to time and update you, and you will be in contact with us through the social media. Assalamu alaikum. Talk to you soon.